And we are writing, sure, let's continue over WhatsApp as this app somehow really drains my battery. Now, this is as well a line of mine you can use even if you're not out for a threesome, but for regular dates and regular hookups with one girl, then you can use always this perfect line to switch to a number in an easy way. So we come with an excuse, hey, this app drains my battery, let's continue over WhatsApp. We don't ask for her number, what we say, hey, let's exchange WhatsApp. Basically, it's the same shit, but it's a little bit less of a pressure again. She writes, okay, I have one, I don't mind. I mean, there will be girls also in America who don't use WhatsApp. I don't think it's that common as in Europe here. And my student was in America. Okay, text me there. We hand out our number. And of course, she texts us, hey XYZ, we're going to the gym now. Do you have any plans for tonight? Although you found enough value in this video, but you say you need more, you want to learn more, then make sure to join the mastermind group as hundreds of students before you. With the link down in the description, you will apply for a 30-minute coaching call with me personally for free, where we both will go through your struggles and goals regarding your dating life. So make sure to not miss this opportunity. Like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Peace out.